Child, it's day 8 in the Alicia Andrews trial, and this is what I've learned. Sometimes you can go too far. You know, day 1 of this trial, I was, let's see. By day 2, I was like, I don't know. I think 3 and 4, I was really like, girl. 5, 6, and 7, I was like, she not going to be able to walk away from this. Especially day 7, because day 7, you know, that was the beginning of the defense's case in chief, and I thought it went very, very poorly. Oh, but day 8, they called Alicia Andrews to the stand. Child. And you know, I didn't think that she should take the stand, especially after I saw those police interrogation videos. But old girl got on up there on that stand and she held her own. She maintained her composure and she told her story. And I believed her. And for those of you all that say she had to have known, she's a liar, da-da-da-da-da, think back to when you was 20. Think about any time you've ever been in a toxic relationship. Friendship, romantic relationship. Think about it. Think about just wanting to keep the peace and not asking a lot of questions so as not to upset your partner. I remember those times. I remember getting in the car with my boyfriend and not asking a lot of questions. I remember those days. I remember going places with my man and his friends show up and I didn't know any of them. I remember that. There's a reason why in the law they say you shouldn't rush to judgment, and there's a reason why they give jury instructions in the beginning and they tell you not to form your opinion until the end of trial. I saw the prosecution put up text messages and try to twist the words, and she said you're misinterpreting what that means, and her explanations made more sense, just didn't fit their narrative. I saw an overzealous prosecutor trying to put her with people that she wasn't with. She put up a picture, literally, of her supposedly with a gang member, and she was like, that's not him, that's my cousin. Joe, how embarrassing. I believe Detective Ramos believed that there was no way that Alicia did not know what was happening. I believe that before he saw that ring log, where the key entry log, I believe that he thought that Alicia was the only one on that ring camera and that she was letting those people in the back door so that they could not be detected. And when he got that log 30 days before trial, it was too late. I mean, the Airbnb owner got up there and said, we've had problems with the ring camera. Unfortunately, sometimes it doesn't capture someone at the door if they go in too quickly, because there's a 30-second buffer. I have to tell you that I was worried about the defense this whole time, especially on day 7. It just seemed like they weren't doing a good job. But they did a very good job preparing their client for the stand, and I think today was a win for them. And I know some of you all are questioning his choice to point out that scripture that Alicia has tattooed on her. But actually, I liked it. I thought it was funny. I thought it was clever. And I thought that it pointed out all the things that the prosecution has been doing, painting a picture of what fits their narrative. And it's not always what's so. Anyway, continue to follow me for more updates on this and other trials.